am Dr. Dinesh Sharma. I completed my specialty in maxillofacial surgery in the year 1993 from St. George's Hospital, Mumbai. And I worked in the most prestigious institute, and it is very well known for in fact this maxillofacial surgery. I worked under Dr. Khanna, J.N. Khanna, who happened to be the that time the most revered maxillofacial surgeon of the country, and I had the opportunity to work under him both in the post-graduation and after post-graduation also for 1 year. After that I worked in various colleges and also hospitals, and in 1995 I came to Hyderabad, and here I joined initially Mahavir Hospital, and after working there for 3 years as a exclusive maxillofacial surgeon, and then I joined Sunshine Hospital after it right from the time of its inception. I have been working here and been doing a lot of maxillofacial related surgical procedures, and we have a team of doctors here. Dr. Suresh and Dr. Navta is also associated with me. I completed my school in that is my 12th standard in 1982, and after that I went to do my graduation in Indore, it's BDS, and after my BDS I worked there as a in the same college as a clinical demonstrator in the Department of Maxillofacial Surgery. I worked under Dr. B.M. Srivastava there, who was the well-known maxillofacial surgeon of Indore at that time. And after having worked there for 2 years, and then I through All India entrance I got into Mumbai St. George's Hospital, where I pursued my post-graduation in maxillofacial. Sunshine Hospital, we have been doing a lot of surgical work related to face, jaw and mouth, and we normally deal with diseases that are affecting the face, the facial structures, the facial bones, the jaw bones and also the mouth. We deal with cases which may be like any facial trauma or any injuries that may be due to road traffic accidents or any assault cases, and we also do cancers that affect the oral cavity. We do a lot of cancer surgeries here, and also reconstructive surgeries. In cancer surgeries, normally we have to remove a part of the jaw, or for that matter tongue, or some of the oral structures, and then we follow it by reconstructive surgeries also. We are also into kind of cosmetic surgeries. We call it orthognathic surgeries to correct the facial profiles of the patient. Any deformities that are existing right from the childhood, any birth defects that are existing in the patient right from the childhood, which includes cleft lip and palate, and any jaw deformities or facial deformities also we correct by surgical procedures. We normally group it as orthognathic surgeries. My first patient that I operated in Sunshine Hospital was a case of orthognathic surgery where the patient had a lower jaw protruded, and the patient was quite socially quite depressed and not very interactive. She was a female patient, and she had come to me at that time for any correction of the face, and we operated that case. We corrected the case by doing a bilateral sagittal split osteotomy of the mandible, in which case what we normally do is we split the mandible, that is the lower jaw, and push it back to correct the protrusion of the lower jaw. Similarly, for the upper jaws also we do surgeries to correct the deficiencies or excess of the upper jaw. So, critical cases normally include trauma, where the patient has facial injuries and has fractures of the facial skeleton, which can be ranging from the fracture of the upper jaw, the lower jaw, the cheek bones, the forehead bones, that is a frontal bone, and the patient usually in these cases has a lot of respiratory embarrassment also because of the injuries, and these are the critical cases which have to be attended immediately. In when the patient has a lower jaw fracture, the tongue usually falls back and the patient has a difficulty in breathing because the tongue goes into the pharynx, that is your airway, and that is the case where in such cases we have to immediately take the patient, set the jaw correctly so that the patient airway is also corrected, and these patients again have difficulty in opening the mouth, and also they have difficulty in chewing because of the fractures, and this correction, this treatment of this fracture jaws, that's why has to be done within 24 to 48 hours, as the patient will have more and more difficulty or distress. In the trauma, we have normally it's the trauma affecting also the facial bones which support the eyeball or the eye, and these are orbital fractures we normally call it. In such cases, what happens, the patient may have a restricted movement of the eye because of the entrapment of the muscles that are surrounding the eye, and then we have to with the help of some kind of orbital plates and all, we try to correct the orbital fractures, and with the help of plates and screws again we set the bones right. And the main aim to do this surgery is to restore the eye movement, and also sometimes the patient also has a double vision after the injuries. So these treatments or of the eyeball or the orbital bones has to be done immediately, because the more we delay, the deformity or the problem that the patient has, the functional problem that the patient has, may remain permanent. Basic advantage that we have here in Sunshine Hospital, that we have a multi-speciality approach, and because most of the maxillofacial injuries may need a teamwork, we need a plastic or the ENT people also to work along. So this is a advantage that we have in Sunshine Hospital, that we have a very good understanding and a very good team approach for all our cases, and the patient usually gets a very quality treatment, quality service by the as a doctor. Yes, we have to sacrifice a lot our personal life, our family life. We sometimes really miss we are not able to join our family in some festivals or some outings or some functions also, and because all the doctors here in Sunshine are very dedicated to the patients. They normally are more very professional in their approach, and they normally don't when it comes to patient, the patient is the priority for all of us, and in this normally I have to say that we many a times sacrifice our personal life. Feel very lucky that I am associated with Sunshine Hospital. Here we have a very good infrastructure, and in terms of course the latest equipment, and also we have a very dedicated team of doctors and specialists. We have a very good protocol to approach the patients who are very critical, the patients who are reported to the hospital with road traffic accidents or any other injuries, and this hospital that way is very good, and I feel very lucky that I am associated with this hospital. There is a very good critical care in this hospital, critical care unit. We have a good post-operative intensive surgical care unit, and any surgeon for that matter, or any doctor feels very comfortable working in such an atmosphere. I feel proud to be associated with Sunshine Hospital. This has a very good team of doctors. It has a very good infrastructures in terms of equipment. We have latest equipment available in this hospital. We have a very good dedicated team of doctors from all specialities, and I am heading the facial surgery unit, and I feel very proud to be associated with this Sunshine Hospital, heading the facial surgery unit, and I dream to take this facial unit to greater heights, and I am sure that it is going to happen because of the support that I have from Dr. Gurva Reddy and other team of doctors. And we normally this unit has one aim to bring shine on the patient's face as the name goes, sunshine, so we want to bring shine on the patient's face, whoever reports to our facial surgery unit.